How do you cope with people asking for free work on LinkedIn? So I found the easiest way when you receive a direct message or an invitation on LinkedIn and someone is asking for some free work, or that might just sound harmless in the first place. They might ask you something, hey, I was doing this and this and this. What would you do in my situation? Someone asking some question like this, but actually the answer would take that you have to look at their website, do an analysis, spend like an hour like gathering data and then going through all of this. So a lot of people don't realize that an innocent question actually takes a lot of work. So I found the easiest way to deal with this is to explain the process of, if I wanted to answer this question, I would have to look at this and this and this and this. So explaining people what you would have to do before you're doing it to come to this answer for their problem. This way you are highlighting that this is not just a simple like 30 seconds answer. It will actually take you a few hours by describing the work that would go into it. And then you can tell them, I would be happy to do that in form of a paid consultation or like a small mini project. Would that be interesting to you? And then when the person says, oh no, that's like, I don't have a budget at the moment, then you still have a stronger relationship and they have a better sense for, yeah, they get it, why you can't do that for free. And if they say yes, then you send them to your onboarding form. If they say no, then you wish them good luck and let them figure it out by themselves.